I got an ocean view, lost somewhere in Malibu. Last night felt like deja vu. Maybe it's me, but it's probably you. So put the record on. Let's look like there's nothing wrong. A little clarity sounds good to me. Now let's move along. Nothing will last forever. With you, it's always better. Right now, let's come together. Woo! It's so sentimental. All these instrumentals. Right now, let's come together. One last time. Let's do it like nothing's changed. One more night. Let's do it for old time's sake. Old time's sake. Yeah. Wanna be with you.
Baliktad yung sulat ko.
Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. Old time's sake. Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. Wanna be
Wish you all the best, anak.
Enjoy the married life.
Hindi mo pagsalita ate naman.
one last time. Let's do it like nothing's changed.
Pero syempre, pinakamaganda ngayon yung kapatid.
Let's do it for old time's sake. Old time's sake. Yeah. Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you for old time's sake. Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you for old time's sake. Yeah.
God answers all prayers. At sa araw na to, tinatanggap ko ang sagot sa panalangin ko. I promise to cherish what God has blessed me with because He gave me more than what I prayed for.
I'm actually filled with overwhelming sense of gratitude and joy. But perhaps ang dahilan is because I'm very proud of how we have handled this day, our wedding day, considering the many challenges at yung relasyon natin simula hanggang sa araw na ito.
Ilan ka lang ikakasal ako ngayon.
Mixed emotion na pero
Nairaos!
I will stand by your side as we lead our family to a beautiful journey of life together. Not perfect, but God's will.
The best gift you can give someone is your time. So starting today, may every second of our life be spent with wonderful memories.
Ngayon, ipinapakilala ko sa inyong lahat si Mr. and Mrs. Neil Andrew at Chaira Ann Kalayag. Neil, you may now kiss your bride.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes. Kahit umuulan, no? Tuloy
pa rin.
We were strangers starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
They say that love is not a feeling but a choice. So I promise, from this day until my last breath, I will choose to be your shelter and be your warmth. Whatever storm we go through, first storm natin ngayon.
Time is my gift to you, not just as it is, but the things that comes with it. The growth of the memories and the countless moments we will continue to make together. Mahal na mahal kita, Neil. Wow, thanks.
Si Mama,
Okay lang ba yun? Kasi bibigay ko na kaso may pumasok sa likod Sa nanay ko, siyempre, maraming salamat Sa pag-aasawa ko, babaunin ko lahat ng natutunan ko sa kasi ang nanay ko napakalakas niya.
So we really believe that love is a choice. And this day, we choose to spend the rest of our lives forever, regardless of the differences.
There was a time in my life when I prayed for you. I know during then, we were worlds apart. But God made a way to bring me 1 inch closer to you right now.
At para kay Neil and Chai, napakahabang lakbayin ang kanilang tatahakin sa kanilang pagiging mag-asawa. Kapag ang Panginoong Hesus ang naging pundasyon ng inyong pagsasama, lahat ng bagay makakayanan nyo dahil siya ang tutulong sa inyo.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Kung hindi dahil sa guidance nyo, hindi siguro nandito ngayon. It's because of your love and guidance.
I know that His purpose is to give you someone who will understand you, support you, and take care of you for the rest of your life. Will feel secured and at peace with you by my side. Han, indeed, God really makes things beautiful in His own time. I love you for the rest of my life.
I vow to always seek to understand you and myself to be better for you. You taught me so much about love, patience, and resilience. We might have faced some challenges, but still we found our way to understand and support each other. Thank you for choosing me, for deciding to spend the rest of your life with me. I'm excited for the future ahead. I love you.